Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Narayana online classes for class 8 students. Today's topic is intermolecular hydrogen bond. Intermolecular hydrogen bond. Now here, hydrogen bond will be formed between a hydrogen atom and electronegative elements like nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine atom. Between hydrogen atom and nitrogen atom, between hydrogen atom and oxygen atom, between hydrogen atom and fluorine atom. Now here nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine elements are highly electronegative elements. Between highly electronegative element and electropositive element, here there is a hydrogen bond will be formed here. Now before we discussed about hydrogen bond. In this hydrogen bond, how many types are there? There are two types of hydrogen bonds are there. One is intermolecular hydrogen bonding and another one is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Today's our topic is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now here we can observe this intermolecular hydrogen bonding between water molecules. Here if you take water molecule, one water molecule if you take, now here this oxygen atom, because of the electronegativity, here it will carry a partial negative charge and hydrogen will carry a partial positive charge. This hydrogen also will carry a partial positive charge. Now here, because of the polarity difference between oxygen and hydrogen atom, they are having opposite charges here. Now here, if you take another water molecule, here whatever the water molecule you are taking, generally hydrogen atoms will carry a partial positive charge, then oxygen will carry a negative charge. Now here, now if you come to each water molecule will be surrounded by four other water molecules through hydrogen bonding will be formed here. Now oxygen atom will carry a negative charge and hydrogen atom will carry a partial positive charge. Now here one water molecule is surrounded by four other water molecules. Now here if you see the structures, here like this arrangement of molecules will be there surrounded by water molecules. Now here, because of the electronegativity and positivity, because of the delta positive and delta negative charges between two different molecules or similar molecules, here it is forming hydrogen bond. Now between this hydrogen and this oxygen atom, there is a hydrogen bond. Between this hydrogen and this oxygen atom, there is a hydrogen bond. Between this hydrogen and this oxygen, there is a hydrogen bond. Between this hydrogen and this oxygen atom, there is a hydrogen bond. Means through this hydrogen bonding, one water molecule it is holding four water molecules. Here, because of this reason only, because of the formation of hydrogen bond only, water molecule is having high boiling point. It is having high boiling point. If it is not having hydrogen bond, maybe the boiling point of water molecule less than 100 degrees centigrade will be there. Okay. Now here, in this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, between the molecules there is a hydrogen bond. If suppose intramolecular hydrogen bond if you take, within the molecule only hydrogen bond will be formed. Means water molecule is the example for, we can take as intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay. Now here each water molecule is surrounded by four other water molecules through four hydrogen bonds here. And this hydrogen bond is the weak bond and it is electrostatic force, weak electrostatic force of attraction between the opposite charges will be there. And here this is the weak bond than compared to the pure covalent bond, or due to the or you can take as polar covalent bond also if you take. Comparison between hydrogen bond and covalent bond or polar covalent bond if you take, hydrogen bond is the weak bond. Okay. Now here we can observe in the water molecule intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Suppose if you take another example like ammonia molecule, if you take, there also we can observe hydrogen bonding. And suppose if you take HF molecule, here also in HF molecule also we can observe hydrogen bonding. Like this here, this is delta negative, this is delta positive. Between fluorine and hydrogen there is a hydrogen bond. Now here this is delta positive, this is delta negative. Between fluorine and hydrogen there is a hydrogen bond. This is positive and fluorine is delta negative. And here also hydrogen is delta positive and fluorine is delta negative. Means here in this HF molecule also we can observe hydrogen bonding through between different two molecules. Here we can observe intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now here if you take some examples like fatty acids like formic acid and acetic acid if you take, here also you can observe intermolecular hydrogen bonding. How it will be there if you see, For example, if you take as carboxylic, acetic acid, if you take acetic acid molecule, C double bond O, CH3COOH, no, CH3COOH molecule if you take. Okay, between two molecules it can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now here the arrangement of atoms, if you take C double bond O, OH, this is CH3 if you take. Means here there is a chelation formation will be there. Now anyway here between two molecules here acetic acid molecule will take the example for intermolecular hydrogen bonding will be there because of the opposite charges. Okay, right? Now here not only acetic acid, formic acid also it can participate in intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, thank you.